Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. It's the correct project. Game dev, I called it. Command to start it. I have to wait for a few lines to appear so I know it's ready. I need to play builder, improve for a test run, improve system. And I have a lot of smaller things I work on today, I guess. Waiting for a few lines still. One more. Should be ready at once in the browser. Localhost for me. I start fresh. Let's do it this way. I am in the middle. I need tower builders today. Besides enemies, as they come close to me, they attack me. Above my head is my HP. If it reaches 0, I die. And if I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. The goal is to get as far away as possible. I get stronger than my kill. Enemies get stronger the further away I am. And as in a introduction, I play until I die. I might have... I think I die. Save. Okay. I cannot... I saw. Okay, let's make... bigger effects. Effect. Take another move speed. Taking bonus HP. Some... Okay. 10,000 distant reached. Still safe. This setup. Let's wait here. This thing dies. Still safe. Getting close, but I think it looked fine still. Okay, I should increase. Okay, more safe. Next boss. Does he... Okay, survived. I am somewhat safe in this. No, not safe. Okay. Again, close, but I hope it will be enough. Okay, I reach king area soon. Do I... Okay, he died. Full line damage, I guess. Safe here. Okay, I reached... I don't see me. This way, I take a single target. Okay. This is my setup. No, and I want... Okay. Copy last replay. Now I have a new long tamer, not long tamer, long builder. This short builder. Long builder, yeah. Save. Main quiz version 365 today. And with this I have the test one for builder. Increased version. New builder test one. Commit. I now have to decide what I work on today. So I have to be careful with the restart button. Sometimes accidentally press it and lose my progress because there's no question. Proof restart information display when in start area. Proof restart information display when in start area. I'm confused what I mean by this. When user set T is restart key. Is this when I'm here? But do I need to know it? I don't know the condition I meant. I died. I can press T. I don't know that I can press T here. Maybe. I'm unsure what I mean by it. Unclear to new user that TSV. I don't feel like it's important. Display at the bottom right. It's not so visible on stream, but behind me are keys. So I currently don't see this. This here I see that I need to do something. Bug the auto upgrade does not work anymore. This seems easy. Some key not mentioned. Fair. But it's not so important, I guess. I could put it here. Not everyone has a mouse wheel, but also do. No, I also have. I think a bigger problem is. Where is it? This one. Far away. Zoom map rendering is broken. Don't know. I don't think I want to mention the zoom key. Don't see it as important and can find out about it themselves, maybe. Charge distance size score based on highest reach distance and not the one died on. Does this matter? I think this is just a minor issue. Does this result in bad? I mean, if I trigger a boss, I run often back, and if I then die, I have a less. Scores less. I guess I ignore for now. I don't see it yet. Bug enemy speed on. Okay, this is something I need to investigate. Great building move speed display based. Okay, I understand. And on money screen boss HP big number split. I understand this also simple. I think this far away might be the most difficult one. But let's see how to upgrade. Was this only for... Oh, it doesn't react at all. Okay, this key is just no longer existent, I guess. Let's search how to upgrade. Is there something like this? Player. Execute UI action, restart multiplayer. Keys. UI action, new action activated. Is console log something here? Console log. Does this happen? Question mark. This doesn't happen. Do I cheer? Does this happen? Okay. Key of keys. Have no auto upgrade. Is it not a UI action? It's a UI action. does not happen. Okay. So let's debug a bit what happens. Here, I put this down. I now have keys. Length 0. Game. Object keys. Key, P, key, O, key, G, tab, and key T. Should be keys. So he has no keys. Why? Game. It's a map. Not an object. Okay. So I have to verify. I use this. But I'm confused. How do I do it in other cases? This is the only case where I need to check. Okay, interesting. This is not object keys. Keys. Guess this is the one. Now goes on and off. I do. Is he spec for me? Okay, and if I take it off. On again, and he specs for me. Okay. And okay, it works again. Fixed random. Great. Auto. Fixed auto random upgrade. I quit. Improve on end money screen was HP big number split. I think I remember. So close king area. I can add skill points and just. Okay, I hope this gives me. I died. Okay, I need to kill him with a high. Let me die a few times. Unlock the percent damage building. This should help me a lot. Damage, give money. Not much money, but. So, double damage. Go triple. Okay. This is the fastest way to win. Can go to 400. range. Okay, let's take it. So I believe I'm strong now. I could also increase my HP. $300, so now I have 500. Okay, perfect. And my speed. Okay, perfect. I don't need this. I should reload, so I have a number. Okay, this should be quite a lot of damage, yes. Okay, and here I have numbers separated with comma, and I should also do it here, I guess. And there is some functionality I have to do it, I guess. Yeah, I also do it. Where do I have to search for this? This is highest correlated. Is it? At least in high scores I paint. Get a high score text line. Is it to local string? This is damage per second. This is not. This is it. Wait. This is important one. Score to local string. Score suffix hard mode. I believe it's to local string, which I use. Search where I use it. Commit log. My commit log also. My commit log doesn't have. Oh, I'm confused. Total damage. Here I have. Okay, the damage meter has, but the combat log does not have. Okay, let's assume to local string undefined. Maximum fraction digit. Not interested in fractions. And to local, no decimals. Is this something defined? 0, 0, okay. Create character more info. Character more info. It is also, okay, here I only need two local string without anything. Now I want it for the king kill HP. This is money gain. I'm unsure where this text comes from. Don't think it's high score related. It might be money related. Let's go to game paint. Start in the main paint. I have print screen and title. Paint more info parts. I've created the money one. Keyboard touch restart, create end screen more info. Wait, more info money gained part. And my character money gains is 1. To fixed. Money amount to fixed. I am not sure. I have here a text, and someone has to create this text at the end. I guess I have to find references to this, because this is just a money gain text. It's not what I... Money gain gains is 1. Okay, this find references. Someone has to push in here. Add player money. Calculate money gained by distance. Is king kill? Okay, here I have something. Here, max HP. To local string. HP. I take it, even though it's unlikely that it has digits. And yeah, I don't have the HP. Okay. So if I now restart. I close king area. Did I save? 200%. Yes, okay, so saved. This means this one has now more HP. To 400. Let's pack a few. Quite a lot. Okay, I believe. I hope this is enough. And so a lot is. Okay, perfect. King kill of 300, 131 distance. Okay. Also an easy fix. Probably more numbers which might benefit from it. Locals, local string number or money gain king HP text. Okay. Bug on far away zoom map rendering broken. Okay, this might be one of the more difficult ones. I don't care for zoom, I guess. I have to find out about it. I think I only do. Let's go to game paint. I have to find out how I decide what chunks I paint. Paint map. Paint map. This should be paint map. I have start X, width and height. Width and height has zoom factor in it. Start does not, but this doesn't add up. Start chunk, start X divided by chunk size. I'm confused. Let's just verify. First off, I need here, it's not painted at all. This effect is, but it works for, it's only broken for far away zoom, I guess. This means this calculation is responsible for it. With SAT, this uses zoom factor. So what is not working here? Start chunk X. And what is this? Start X divided by chunk size. Okay, this is a position, this is a chunk. And I increase it by 1. So that I have always enough, I guess. I don't know if this is enough to guarantee, but at least for normal zoom it works. I am confused. Console log. Maybe give me some information. I have start X, start X, start Y, no dot, width, and height, something like this, I guess. But he paints it, well, it doesn't matter. Every tick is a lot, but let's see. Can I pause this? No, it would still paint. I would need to stop here. Don't see the zoom related to it. Let's reduce the spam. If game state time modulo I currently have no idea. Is it something like this? Don't know if my time is increased in 16. I think it's 16.6 currently. Yes, it doesn't trigger anymore. But I don't think game state time, not time, but interval. No. Take. Time for I have somewhere my value, but how is it called? It's not directly in game, or is it? Game? Is it not tick interval? Tick. Something like this. What I wanted to click. Oh, game. Get tick interval. Okay, I have a function for it. Get tick interval. Game times 100. See if this works. Doesn't seem to work. If this is smaller 1, see if this works. Okay, it happens. So this is zoom 1, and if I zoom out, please. There was one. Stop. It's doubled. Which looks fine. Height doubled, which looks believable. My Y moved, but I don't reach. Doubling the width did not. Do I double what I see? Or is it more? Double it, don't I? So what is happening here seems valid. It seems it isn't. Test debug. So I go to this chunk. Basically don't increase it. So I double what I see. My X and Y. This all seems fine. I am confused. Cost doesn't matter. What am I missing? Paint map. Paint chunk. Is there some other prevention mechanism? Let's go and see here. -6 on X, this looks fair. So if I chunk Y is -2, chunk X is -6. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. This is correct. And now you are not painted. Ah, because I didn't create it yet. Okay. Was there a reason? So, first of all, stop pausing. So I now go and create stuff. And now if I'm zoomed, I see. I don't see enemies, do I? Don't see enemies. Don't paint enemies of active chunks. Is also incorrect. I paint enemies in active chunks and I paint too much. So I need visibility and I remember that some objects but then I paint for other players. Isn't it this bad? Do not need to paint from inactive chunks. They are not visible, maybe. Did I deactivate it because it bugged and I found out the reason already? I have to think a bit. If these enemy and chunk creation would cause desynchronizations, it would be bad. Think a bit. But I changed it one time, if I remember correctly. So here, this is if it's undefined, I continue. This is actually not what I want. I decided that it's visible, so I should get it. Does it create chunk or something? I have to check. Ventile generation. I have an ID counter. The ID is not responsible. Was this the reason that I gave different IDs? And this makes the game think we are not in sync? Is this the reason I removed it? Maybe. I guess I have to try out, or can I find out about it? I feel like one day I had this in here. First of all, let's edit, then I will see it works probably. This is a const. Make it a let. I won't continue. Game state ID counter. Chunk X, chunk Y. Map. This should work. So if I do this now, I paint everything like it should. But these also create IDs. I'm pretty sure. So this changes ID counter, so it would break. I think I shouldn't compare IDs. I hope I don't. Okay, now at least I paint the map. Okay, no, wait. I have player-specific, client-specific ID creations. Cannot let it break the game. Let's verify. King multiplayer. So you need to restart. So I am 1, 2, 3. This is the set. So this one zooms out. I might not be able to zoom out enough. And now he tells me synchronization broken. So it is I want to disconnect. And tell me what you thought. Next ID. But really, does it not break if I have fake? Because he's a copy, I guess. I have to think a bit. And this was the reason I took it out. It was not a requirement. So I know it's for my synchronization breaking indication. Because this was the easiest value. So I should have a mode where I force it, I guess. But I would assume I also get it. Let's verify another thing. Not yet so happy. Need again to. Let's start with this also new. Currently have the version where I should not zoom out. I'm this one. If I go over here, he doesn't care. But if I open this menu and don't have enemies yet. Here's enemy. Doesn't this create IDs? I guess not. Or they are created for both. Let's Let's verify. I think I had a protection against it. Let me think. Yes, I put in a fake ID, I remember. Because... So this is more complicated. I want the functionality to be able to... Maybe I put it to an activate. And when I activate it, it's more like something like a cheat. Because all things have to activate. Currently it's always activated. Okay, so bug was by a change to find the king. The player was by a change to easier find multiplayer syncing problems. Change, make it a menu option, and by default generate var chunks, visible var chunks. Okay. Let's think for a moment. I have to probably check all the code again, so I get familiar with it, so I know how it activates. I have no idea where I put it. The state comparison did send data to the network, so it has to be... Just need an entry point, I guess. I need a value. I think I had a way to activate and deactivate it, but I'm not sure. But I have... I trigger it and I see the text messages. I would find out about it, I guess. So let's go again in multiplayer. 1, 2, 3. I start, I out. I have the broken. That's all I wanted. Let's go disconnect. This gives me some location. This is commands. Okay, so this is my... I have a command compare state hash. I think I made a hash. But under which conditions do I send it? The command auto send gameplay hash in multiplayer. This is maybe the core behind it. I'm here, I do stuff. Game state compare. And with this I can deactivate it, I guess. The question is if I set it up or not. Compare interval next, compare time max, keep time and hash. Okay, there I just take. Here if I initialize a game and I'm in multiplayer, and I have this object, then I set stuff. Okay, this is not the initial setup, I guess. So this is a create default game state. Okay, here this is it probably. So I should assume if I do not create this one, I wouldn't have it. Oops, I commented out. I forgot. Okay, this is commenting. So with this, I believe I would have deactivated it. So I go 1, 2, 3, ESD. Now I zoom out and full screen. This should trigger normally, and it does not. And it does work still, so I have to assume this is it. So my assumption is correct. With this information, I want this to be... It needs to be synced with both, with all clients, if I'm not mistaken, because otherwise they wouldn't send any data. This is game model where I normally put it. Game compare state, and this one would now be important for here. If game state compare. Oh, it was multiplayer currently. Multiplayer. No. Multiplayer. It was not part of game state. State compare. Okay. Else I do continue. Chunk creation is client window zoom dependent and this up IDs prevent it from happening if you want to check for syncing issues. Don't make it too long. So Chunkwation is client window zoom dependent and uses up IDs. So prevent it from happening if I want to check the player syncing issues. If game WebSocket and okay. Now I need to find out where to place this option. It only matters if I sync it other clients. So it's similar to cheats. And so I would cheat checkboxes. Let's find for one case. It should start here and a new checkbox. Then multiplayer state comparisons, debug data multiplayer send. Send debug data multiplayer. Okay, let's call it this way. He complains that this option does not exist somewhere. And this somewhere I need to find probably here. Cheat actions. King area, so I just put it here, I guess. I have it here, I have it here, I don't have it here. They all go into this case. I push active cheats, but fast immune and ignore. Does I think I need to it doesn't make sense to activate it in a game because I'm already desynced. So I have to use this case. So it will be another case in here. So I have the cheat in, but I need to react on it somewhere. In-game init, perfect. I had my here. First I check for replay WebSocket. Then I check for game compare, and this is now not quite correct. I first check if I have send multiplayer. Then I would need the init from game model. So this would set it, else I would empty it. It null, undefined, undefined, I guess. This undefined has a different meaning than in Zec. Undefined is null always. So this would reset it, I guess. But let's keep it this way, I guess. So let's try out. I should now have a node cheat. No, I don't have. I'm confused. What did I miss? I didn't reach here. Okay. No, I have it here. Add cheat box. Another reload try. It's a checkbox, isn't it? Cheat checkbox. I went over all cases. Would expect it to work. What is missing? Let's see if my stuff is up to date. Add after in add debug. Add debug. It's missing. Why? Do I have still one? Yes, I didn't save. Perfect. Now I have it. Okay. I mean, this is just for multiplayer, but okay, I have it. I now should check. I zoom out. I paint directly. This seems to work. Now I need to go multiplayer. I can zoom in here. USD 1, 2, 3. Start. I can move. I zoom out. Everything is correct. I zoom in back. Now I go load sheets. Load sheets. I need on both. And now I should. Why? Because the state is not synced. I indeed have a problem. It needs to be active from the start. So, but let's disconnect and reconnect. And this should be now active. I restart and I zoom out. Now I have my issues that didn't break. Okay, I have an understanding for it. Fair, fair, fair. This is good enough. I believe. Disconnected. Okay. Fixed. First part, then I can delete this one here. Now I need... It's not done yet, there's something missing. I don't see the enemies. Map paint. Game paint, map paint. Game paint here. Paint map characters. Paint characters. Here I go over active chunkies. This is not... This is not fair. I think a bit. I want to paint. So if I'm zoomed in, I paint too much even. And if I zoomed out, I paint not enough. It was perfect for the cases where an enemy far off screen does something which can hit the player. So I am aware of this. And I let the graphics card handle it basically. If I change it to like chunks where I get maybe make it zoom dependent, or I could decide if I have, let's see, chunk size, what do I need it? So if I do this one, I mean, it's also screen dependent. I have canvas width and height. I have width and height here, so don't need it yet, don't need it yet. Need it here, so if width is bigger, don't know what the value is, 1000 or 8 is, not know. Then I go chunk based, something like this. Else I go here. Let's give a reasoning. Change. Some enemies have some higher attack range if zoom is near paint by active chunks. If zoom is far paint by visible chunks as enemies range should be visible. Is 1000 a good value? I don't know. probably not. Yeah, sure. Okay, so this is the base idea. I do 2000. I saw that my width was Maximus on 4000. So 2000 might be fair. And let's go something like this. Okay, so now I have a split. 2000 might be, it's a bit dependent on how I decide for active chunks. I should have a value somewhere. Chunks, active chunks. Determine active chunks. Active chunk range. It's a number. It's in map, it's 1000. I have to be based on this, I guess. Map, active chunk range. With 8, I do -1, I guess, -1, I guess. Then I +2 to get a bit more Floyd, so I start outside. Not sure if I should do it. But 1000 seems too close for me. No, now I broke it. What did I do? It's +1, not neither. Active chunk range. Width is higher or height. Together they would increase it already. I have to start early. Decreasing by... Let's make an... If something, I wanna decide about this extra chunks. Let's make let extra chunks is 0, for example. This would do minus extra chunks, plus extra chunks times 2. I don't know if he's smart enough to know if this only needs to be calculated once. He should always calculate it new, I guess, so I should chunk. This is X, it would be columns. Bit. Columns and chunk rows. Once chunk rows. So extra chunks needs to be calculated before. I have to decide on something. To think a bit. He's complaining about start X because of this one here. Okay, but this would work. Now I need to increase this value under certain circumstances. Don't know how important it is. Chunk. Maybe I just do if it's below 2000 or something. So let's do some simple check if width is something like this. And I should be fine. Cannot see this, can I? Yeah, but let's see. Now if I zoom out, I see all enemies. It has to be important that I think I'm always above 1000. Am I not? But here active chunks. Everything I see is an active chunk, so I should be in which paint mode I should verify. Close all, start new. I am in map paint if I'm not mistaken, yes. Map paint G. Yeah, and I'm interested if I am in this paint or not. I am already in it. Because it's a misunderstanding. It's a ×2 here. Then I would do a ×3 here, I guess. Okay, next try. Debug. No, I want this one. I zoom out and now he goes in. But he would still... yes, here I see chunks which are not visible. So don't change the code, please. I didn't change anything, so go back. just one zoom out and it's interesting. If this is away. This means this might change performance a lot. MI take time measure, so but in my virtual machine zoom is terrible regardless. But I know that I have to think this is not relevant. Put this way, I don't know if currently I go with one zoom, I go to 27 frames. But I didn't pay attention how many small I had. I have two middle, too big. Okay, this is the worst case. 20. It's a bit better. Okay. This is what I expect. Let's see. Guess this is fine. But this might be the first case where I'm actually interested how my performance might be. Did I break anything? I don't think so. One test replace, I guess. Don't show these. Let's reload just to be sure. Okay, let's see if anything changed. Okay, in this version I should use the old paint code, so it shouldn't matter. This is non-working. So this seems fine. This is new today, my one from today. Okay, but it seems like I have no performance difference. But this is what I should expect because this zoom doesn't matter. This zoom, it doesn't matter. Never tried different zooms. I will let it run to the end. Okay, and I changed the ID stuff, but this cannot break a game. Okay, because my zoom is not high enough, it doesn't matter. This one also fails, but see it end. Why is it still running? No, I ended it. Replay seems to be stuck, ended by killing player. Random snipe. What is this? Why do I have this information here? Target length. Okay, for some reason I can be confused. I don't care for now. So I know this seems to work. Bug fix, painting stuff on higher, bigger screens, bigger screen or zoom. Working properly. Okay, commit. Generating automatic. Okay, I have it. Improve, restart, confirmation. How's my time? Still 40 minutes. Well, this one might be the hardest one. Maybe I should take a bit look into why I felt like enemies behave strangely. So let's see. Can I reproduce it? Let's take time measures. I don't remember how I saw it. But I had the feeling it was collision related, so let's... I think I won't cheat, make me very tanky. I think it was big enemies where I saw it. I didn't... had multiple behind me. Oh god, this is builder. Let's go non-builder. I want a few enemies. Let's go a bit further. This is sniper. Let's delete. I want default enemies. Because I think it was default, so. Tanky. Very tanky. Let's run into a bit. No, it's not the one, this is the one I want. Okay, Okay, so now let's see if I see anything suspicious. This one I want. Doesn't feel like it. Okay, but maybe I need... I think I make this one, so... Want... money... It's my speed. Okay, gives my HP a bit, so I'm safer. And this is what I need. Now I'm by default faster. Yes, I should have make me very tanky. So, okay. So now I have all, can outrun them. Don't see this problem which I written down. Hmm. Currently feel like they are behaving. I don't see any unusual movement. Okay, let's just see here if I see anything. No, it doesn't look any strange. Okay, I cannot reproduce it. Maybe move it. Let's look over the rest. Think about tower scan bug. Proof restart confirmation question in game not. Remember upgrade building move speed display. Okay, maybe this is something I should think about how to do it. Let's see. My speed is by default. Okay, 2. And 0.05 is 2.5% if I'm not mistaken. 1% would be 2. 0.002 is 2.5. Let's change the text. This is an upgrade building. Move speed. Get upgrade text. Bonus amount. Get amount. Is this only used for display reasons? I guess this will also be used for okay, I have now const bonus amount percent is bonus amount times 150. I think it's based on base movement speed. What is base movement speed? I should calculate it in a decent way. Not what I wanted to get amounts. This is what I wanted, 0.005. I need to check what I don't think I have character movement speed as base value. I look it up. No. Yes, okay, let's find out. Character. Do I have create character or something? Character model. Take character. Base HP I have. Move speed factor. Oh, base move speed. Base move speed is what I'm searching. Plus 20 is cheat. Poison. Organization. Character. Look like character model. No. Here's a move speed. Okay, it's based on create character, and create character probably puts just a 2 in. There's no base. Yeah, base. I could player base move speed 2. Could go to create player character and put here. Okay, now I could go here. It exported. I have a value I can take. Where was it? Here? No, by upgrade. Get upgrade text. So I have this value now. This is a 2. And if I divide and multiply by 100, I have a percent value, I guess. 0.005 divided by 2. 0.025, and then I have a percent amount. And two fixed 1, I guess. Pay for percent bonus move speed. Invest for speed upgrade bonus move speed to fixed 2. I want a percent value, and this is this value divided by player base move speed times 100. Touch base amount, bonus amount, pay for did I do the percentage? Yes, I did. So I want percentages. Pay for bonus base move speed. Bonus base move speed. Okay, just a little longer text. Bonus amount percent. And here I will also change it up. Let me also bonus base move speed, bonus base move speed. Okay. Start. Debug load sheets. Here's the move speed upgrade. Pay $2 for bonus for 2.5% bonus base move speed. That's the $2 for info. Okay. Perfect. I think this is easier to understand. Upgrade building moves speed text change to percent values. Easier understanding. Commit. Okay, this is done. Change. I still have this confirmation again. Change. Think about sniper damage meter upgrade split. I don't want to start this today. Bug past character sniper upgrade my rifle does not rotate weapon. I know what I mean here. Let's look into it. So, do I have one currently? No. No, I have one here. Would I once? Oh no. No, I should die fast. So dying saves the state. Even for cheating? I think currently yes. And I want this to rotate. Pets can move. And I think the rotating rifle is one of the few I want to allow. And I'm not sure if I can do this. Because I think I disabled the abilities. This is why it doesn't rotate. Tick, no, probably tick ability. And the ticking is probably prevented inability. I call this tick function. See, no, it's not in here. Character, tick ability. Yes, here I've disabled. I won't tick disabled abilities. Basically, this would require each ability to decide on their own if they want to tick or not. Because for do I care? I guess I do a bit. Because the sniper would be allowed to tick. I could make a stupid exclusion, but for a snipe ability I could. Ability disabled. Ability functions I could add. Tick when disabled. Might be required for some updates. Do I tick when disabled? Okay, let's try. Normally it's false. Tick when disabled, I will tell for snipe to true. Here, tick when disabled is true. And now I have a value I could use in character where I decide. I have const What did I do? No, const ability functions if disabled and ability functions tick when disabled is not, then I continue, and the sniper rifle should now tick basically. But they should not automatically shoot at anything. I think the pets still attack. They don't. They run to enemies, but they cannot. Okay. Cute. I think this is fine. I don't know if I miss any other, because the pets shouldn't use their abilities. Okay, I think this is fine. Allow sniper rifle to take when disabled to make past character rifle more rifles upgrade still move circles. Okay, put it in, committed. What's my time? Still 20 minutes. Improve restart confirmation question when game not ended and started. Think about sniper damage meter upgrade split. Change ball bounce upgrade too strong. Bug ice curse king. Whole area is ice. Can the crown reach the player? Okay, let's try. Okay, so this is what I want to check. To the top. The server's running. For some reason, it's slow. I delete all data. Let's start fresh. I close curses. Start. Spawn versus. Okay, so let's first. Some. Okay, this is cared for. I don't know if my ice is strong enough. I think I spawned more. Okay, now I need to survive killing a boss and put everything into ice. Okay, so guess I make myself very tanky so I can no longer die. Now I need to hope that the curse level is decent. I have damage. will definitely take a while to get everything to ice. What are they doing? They are very slowly moving. So now I need I don't know if I really need bounce shield, but don't have any damage, which doesn't matter yet. Do I need anything here? Load sheets. Maybe I will. Let's zoom to the end. I want to make everything to ice. I am nearly undying. Okay. Ah, they were so slow. No. They were in my aura, they would have died. Okay, it's no guarantee that, but if I'm closer, it's probably more likely that I hit. Let's go here. Can I speed up? I think I don't have a speed up key. My test case will take a long time. Okay. And it's hard to see the range of this thing. There's a time limit. At some point this aura will kill this king. Oh, I'm lucky. Didn't want to do... Okay, here might be a good place. Oh, we should... These are important. Perfect. Okay, okay. Or I come back later. Because the king is near. So he shouldn't be able to kill me. Let's wait. Two more tiles. One more. Also can come back later, but see. Maybe it's good enough. What? No, I need. Maybe I will need everything, I don't know. Good, go to the left to 8 more tiles. Okay. Oh, this was fast. One more. Perfect. Is better. Might have been better to white code for it, I guess. Maybe. Probably. Just code fill entire area with ice tiles. And I can test. Don't know if I reach the bottom tile, so maybe. Okay. Now it will be. Might become difficult to reach every tile. Okay. 3 to go. One to go. And everything is ice. Now I need to my damage up. Okay, now there's a crown. And now should I don't stop. What is my test? If the crown can reach me in a corner, then I'm fine. It can. So my test is there is a corner where it can end. But I had some problems with a crown could not reach me. I want one different test. Close king area, reduce king HP. Can I use this effect? So let's go here in this corner, it doesn't matter. appearance, so I am too fast. There was something with corners and okay, but I believe there's no problem. Improve, what do I think about tower scaling bug? Curse can spread, which is okay, can cleanse the version spread. I did fix this, didn't I? Or check this. I have 8 minutes, so let's check this and then should be fine. So I need... He was not cursed. Was he? Okay, so I take close king away. No, I can work with it. So I just want a little bit of curse. I need... he is also affected. I don't need much curse. Enough, I guess. And now I have a cursed legendary. Now I need to cleanse it. Probably will be hard with this one, so let's... shortly unlock potential. Oops, oops. Appearance. Okay, so this is 25. I put all skill points in. 2 bounce field rest, damage. One, two, three, missing, once bonus. Oh, let's take 1 HP generation, lightning strike. Okay, so now I have damage, I guess. Just I don't need damage because I'm only interested in spawn areas. Spawn areas I'm interested in. This one, let's look. Okay, interesting. I need to think for a moment. I don't need damage, I just kill him. Now my legendary is cleansed. Perfect, and now I do 1, 2 legendaries. The sniper doesn't have anything. Close king, don't need close spawn areas. And just need to see. Still unkillable. Okay, did it get cursed? It spread. Okay, I don't want this to happen. Why did the cleansed version spread? Four minutes. Shall I come to my end? Dark. Curse can spread, which is okay. So bug. cleanse curse should not spread. Okay, let's see. At some point when I defeat a king, so is it endgame? Could be. Let's see. Close what I no longer need. Game end or end game, I always forget. End game, I have it. Is king kill, set player as king. Map object, place upgrade building, class building, check all players for lagging area, move back to building. Not what I need. Set player as king. I believe it could be in here. Copy curse to target. Character class, boss character class. If class is legendary, copy curse to target, boss curses. Here's something happening. But is this what I'm searching? If the boss has curses, I have character classes. Then I'll go over each character class from the boss. If it's a legendary, I copy the curse over. But source curse, I check boss curses. Okay. Character class curses. If I find here an else, I don't copy cleansed curses. I have to think about it. My idea was if source curse cleansed continue. It's basically the idea, I guess. This one doesn't spread and I don't do anything with it. I think this is how it should be. Okay, and I have to verify. So I reload. I have a cleansed. I want a non-cleansed curse, I guess. I have to think for a moment. I did not take poison. Poison is the only left. I don't want poison. Let's find this boss HP close king. I think I want this one. I want to check shortly. 7,800 here. Okay, here I have lightning. I'm lightning already. This doesn't work out. No, I forgot. Let's no. What is here for curse? Ice. Yes, I don't have ice. Curse lightning cleansed. Okay. Was too fast? No. Okay. I just need minimal amount of ice. Already be fine. I lost. Yes, I want. I failed, but this is fine. So I now have cleansed and eyes. I have curse eyes. Layer character. Oh, I'm confused. The cleanse didn't go over? What? They don't activate. But it is not because of my change, is it? Or because to target? It is probably. Okay. So I use it in 2 cases, yes. I understand. This is not happening here. This is in check curse king enemy. Here. Character class curses. I have bonds curses to copy is nothing I want. Curse array. It like this. But how to do the unresolved? Curse. Okay, this was correct. Or boss curse. No, add curse of boss curses. If curse is cleansed, I continue, else I curses to copy. Is it push? Push it is. Curse. Cures. Curse. Please. Curse. And then I have curses to copy. I have to be very careful. Because I think I copy pointers. Source curse. So maybe this is correct. But I am watching my time in it. I'm getting hungry. So now if I pick it up, I get the cleansed curse. If I pick this up, the cleansed curse, let's try. I mean, no, here I want close kings, so I have I do this, and now I have this one back. This has only the curse eyes, okay? And this has also the cleansed one. It looks correct. Now the question is, I was worrying, but it's not different than before. Okay. I don't care, I guess. I was worrying that I pass pointers around and not create actual copies. This will be problematic when I increase the cursors. Let's see, I copy cursor to target. Have the index, target cursor, get it. Here's this copy cursor. I do copy cursor. Copy cursor. Functions create ID counter, and then I said, okay. This should be the important check I wanted to make. Then I push the copy cursor. Okay, I believe this is done correctly. I hope this will work. Now I or change bug. It's something in between. Cleansed cursor should not spread. Okay, now I let my tests run again. And I don't expect anything to break. But who knows? So the short king and the short god are both broken for a long time, so they don't matter. Okay, sniper will, tamer will seem like they work. Ball and musician after it, and then I'm coming to an end for today. Okay, this one gets stuck, this is expected, and this is the last replay. This is all replays work as expected, or at least the ones I expect to work. I can push so it gets deployed. This one I can delete, it's done. my list of to-do things gets tinier. But for now and for today, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.